we are heading to London's Kensington Gardens to see the 2023 Serpentine Pavilion designed by the French-Lebanese architect Lina Ghotmeh. The Serpentine Pavilion is an annual architectural project that is organised by the Serpentine Gallery and has become a significant event over the years. The platform is typically offered to an internationally recognised architect or creative, as an opportunity to build their first structure in the UK, in the gallery's garden. The pavilion reflects the architect's design philosophy, serves as a testing ground for new concepts, and offers an opportunity to tell a story with the design. This year's structure is called A Table and is inspired by table discussions and the pavilion's surrounding nature. The beams are informed by tree trunks, and the timber roof resembles the folds of a leaf. It focuses on sustainable design and is mostly made from biosourced and low-carbon materials. It is built in a modular way, allowing the structure to be disassembled and reassembled after its showcase here. The low roof was inspired by West Africa's tugunas, which are shade-providing shelters that inspire community gatherings. By placing a table inside the pavilion, the architect wants to spark table discussions and encourage visitors to form connections and reflect on our relationship with nature. It remains open to the public throughout the summer months, for visitors to enjoy its café, to experience and interact with the design, as well as to visit the talks and events taking place within the pavilion. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more videos like this.